Looking for an easy way to record your screen, explain something to your team, or send a video instead of scheduling another meeting? Loom has become one of the most popular tools for asynchronous video communication. But is it still worth using in 2026? Let's take a look at what Loom offers, its pricing, AI features, and the biggest pros and cons. Loom is basically a screen recorder combined with a video messaging platform. You can record your screen, camera, or both at the same time and then instantly share the video using a link. That makes it useful for tutorials, product demonstrations, client updates, bug reports, employee training, and quick team messages. You don't have to upload the video somewhere else and send a large file. You record, finish, and share the link. Loom also includes features such as video comments, reactions, transcriptions, captions, viewer analytics, folders, and team libraries. It works across Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, and the web. One of Loom's biggest advantages in 2026 is its AI. Loom AI can automatically generate titles, summaries, chapters, and action items from your recordings. It can also remove filler words and silence, turn videos into written documents, and even help create issues or messages from the content of your recording. There are also AI-powered meeting notes and automatic recap emails. So instead of simply recording a video, Loom can help turn that video into useful information that your team can actually work with. Now let's talk about the free plan. Loom's starter plan costs $0 and lets you record up to 25 videos, with a maximum recording length of 5 minutes per video. You also get screen and camera recording, transcriptions, captions, comments, reactions, and unlimited screenshots. That's enough for quick tutorials and short team updates. But if you're recording longer videos regularly, you'll probably need a paid plan. The business plan costs $18 per user per month and removes the 5-minute recording limit. It also adds unlimited videos, higher video quality up to 4K, editing tools, video uploads, analytics, password protection, and custom branding. Business Plus AI costs $24 per user per month and adds the full Loom AI feature set. There's also a 14-day free trial for Business Plus AI. Now let's talk about the downsides. The biggest limitation of the free plan is obviously the 5-minute recording limit. That's fine for quick messages, but it can become frustrating for longer tutorials. Another issue is that Loom isn't designed to replace a full video editor. Its editing tools are intentionally simple, although the higher plans now include more advanced editing features. And if you're only recording occasionally, paying $18 or $24 per month for a creator seat may not make sense. So, who should use Loom? It's particularly useful for remote teams, customer support, developers, managers, teachers, and anyone who regularly needs to explain something on screen. If you constantly find yourself writing long instructions or scheduling meetings just to explain a simple process, Loom can save a lot of time. So, is Loom worth it in 2026? For teams that use video regularly, yes. The free plan is genuinely useful for short recordings, while the paid plans become much more attractive if you need unlimited recording and AI-powered editing. Its biggest strength is simplicity. You don't need to become a video editor just to explain something clearly. You can record your screen, talk through what you're doing, and share the result in minutes. The main downside is that the paid plans can become expensive for larger teams, especially when every regular creator needs a paid seat. Overall, Loom remains one of the strongest options for asynchronous video communication in 2026. If your goal is quick screen recordings, tutorials, feedback, and team updates, Loom is definitely worth trying. And that's my Loom review for 2026.